Your child's swimming journey can start at any time. But what learn to swim environment do you want for them? Swim Academy, brought to you by the child swimming experts at Puddle Ducks, has a supported learning approach that works. We start with our teachers in the water with your child, and we keep our ratios small. Why? With a maximum teacher to child ratio of 1:4, we have developed beginner levels that means your child will never wear a fixed buoyancy aid. Our expert teachers can support swimmers on an individual level to discover their body's natural buoyancy in the water, a crucial skill were they to ever fall into the water. We deconstruct the strokes. Why? By building up the strokes step by step, we create not only confident but beautiful swimmers. The distances and stamina will come with time, but by perfecting the strokes, our swimmers have the foundations to take their swimming journey as far as they want. Our swimmers are involved in their own learning. We teach them cause and effect. We ask them questions and make sure they understand why they are performing certain activities and what it will lead to. The child is empowered to achieve their goals because they know why they are doing it. We build them up as individuals as well as swimmers. Every element of our program advances their confidence and their skills. Swim Academy, brought to you by the experts at Puddle Ducks. Let's do this!